the rain. Page number 14. Here we have completed our chapter number 2, the rainbow. So can we do little revision of that chapter? How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. And when it appears? After the rain. After the rain. When rain stops, that time sun shines. Yes? तब sun shines करता है and rainbow appears in the sky. So grandma, brother and little girl all are very happy. Even birds sing, they also come out, and squirrels also come out to play, and you all love the rainbow, even I also. So this is our story of the rainbow. Students, rain, आपने सुना है ये वर्ड्स? When it comes after summer season. Summer season में climate कैसा होता है? Very hot. After that, rainy season will come. So in rainy season, what falls from the sky? Small rain drops. Small rain drops fall from the sky, and nature is very beautiful. क्योंकि वो climate गर्मी होने के बाद जब डार्क क्लाउड्स हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद रेन गिरती है. जब रेन गिरती है तब एवरीवेयर वाटर्स कमिंग आउट. यस, बाहर सब रोड पर क्या होता है? पानी होता है एवरीवेयर. Farmers are also happy because rain is very important for us. Without rain, they cannot grow crops. Yes, they cannot grow the crops. And even shortage of the water. हम हर एक चीज के लिए we have to use the water for bathing also, for eating also, for making the food. We have to need a water. So everybody needs a water. So farmers are also very happy. Even birds sing, squirrels come out. जैसे हमने रेनबो के चैप्टर में देखा था, squirrels will also come out. Even you all small children are also very happy. आप भी बाहर जब बारिश गिरती है तो मट्टी की बहुत अच्छी सी स्मेल आती है. We feel that smell. Our mama is preparing a nice pakoras in this season, rainy season. So this is our little bit of small explanation about the rain. So now we will read the poem from the textbook, page number 14, The Rain. Peter patter rain drops. Peter patter. What is the meaning of Peter patter? We have done in rainbow chapter. Peter patter, sound of rain and rain drops. It is falling from the sky. Falling from the sky. When rain is coming, rain drops are falling from the sky. Falling मतलब गिरना from the sky. Here is my umbrella. So you can see the boy is holding an umbrella. The color of umbrella is red. When we are using an umbrella? For become as a dry. For become as a dry. कब हम यूज करते हैं umbrella? अपने आप को गीला न होने देने के लिए. We are using raincoats, we are using umbrella, we are wearing the gumboots also. To keep me safe and dry. To keep me safe and dry. Safe मतलब you should protect yourself. You should protect from yourself and dry. Yes, हमने जब umbrella hold की होती है, otherwise we wear a raincoat. We should keep ourselves dry. हम इसे यूज करते हैं तो हम गीले नहीं हो सकते हैं. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow. When the rain is over, everywhere when the rain is coming, everywhere you can see the water. And when the rain is over, what happens? And the sun begins to glow. Begins मतलब शुरुआत. So what is the meaning? You can write here BEGINS. To start doing something. To start doing something. And the sun begins to glow. What is the meaning of glow? Here it is written. So GLOW. Glow. Shine. Softly. Shine softly. See, in the afternoon, sun जब होता है तब उसकी धूप हमें कैसे लगती है? बहुत हार्श लगती है. बट इन द मॉर्निंग जब सन निकलता है तब इट शाइन्स सॉफ्टली. ऑरेंज कलर, लिटिल बिट ऑफ रेड कलर, वो जब निकलता है तब it shines softly. So when the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud. Little flowers. You can see in this picture. This all are the little flowers start to bud. Look at this picture. Can you see? Lotus कैसा है? Open है या closed है? It is closed. It is closed. So when the rain is over and the sun shines softly, what happens? Little flowers start to bud. What is the meaning of bud? That also I write here. BUD. Bud. A small part of plant, comma, that develops into flower. That develops into a flower. जैसे हमने लोटस के पिक्चर में देखा, वो क्या है? बर्ड. फिर जैसे जैसे हम उसे पानी, धूप मिलती है, वैसे वैसे वो क्या हो जाता है? It opens and it will become a flower. It will become a flower and grow and grow and grow. Look at this picture. See, first picture, have you seen? पहले क्या है? When we are growing seed, after that we are giving them a sun. Yes, हम उसे थोड़ी देर धूप में भी रखते हैं. After that we are keeping water every day. After that धीरे धीरे उसमें से लीफ निकलते हैं. लीफ में से बर्ड निकलता है. लीफ भी ओपन होते हैं. After that bird and after that the flower. After that the flower. और जैसे जैसे वो पौधा बड़े होते जाएगा, वैसे वैसे वो हमें क्या देगा? फ्रूट. वैसे वैसे हमें क्या देगा? फ्रूट. इट ग्रो एंड ग्रो. स्टूडेंट्स, सी, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द रेन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. विदाउट रेन वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. हम प्लांट्स ग्रो नहीं कर सकते हैं. So without plants our nature is also very bad. So we have to grow more plants. For more plants is give us oxygen also. Yes, plants हमें oxygen भी देते हैं एवरीवेयर। जहाँ पर हमें बहुत धूप लगती है वहाँ पर हम जाकर पेड़ के नीचे खड़े रहते हैं तो हमें छाँव मिलती है, हमें छाँव मिलती है। तो you have to grow more plants, you have to grow more plants. See, in our school so many plants are there, big plants, small plants, even shrubs. आपने देखे हैं, आपने पढ़ा EVS के चैप्टर में what are the creepers, what are the climbers. So you have to grow more plants. मैम ने आज आपको इस वीडियो में how rain is important, how the nature is beautiful, without water we cannot survive, water is important for us, even rain is important for us, what is the uses of the plants also. Yes, so we have done our poem Rain. So if you are having any doubts or any queries, so you can ask us in our Zoom online session. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.